Hello. Oh, holy moly. We're back. But for some reason, this ain't working. Okay, there we go. We're back with more development on where we left off. So yesterday, a friend of mine actually sent me some a guide, you know, not a guide, but one of those FAQs of the Godot forums. And yeah, it's kind of interesting. There's a very elegant way to do things, and I would actually like to follow suit. My only worry is create a new scene, add two nodes, create the root node of the scene, write the following code in it. Yeah. I think this has to be housed within this. So they can access each other, I guess. And there should be a script here on timer. So this guy here doesn't have anything just yet, but I'm gonna start linking things out in other ways. So I'm gonna link this to here. I'm just gonna link disconnect this one. So the start bar shall also be linked here. Okay. Reason being, it's tidier this way. Supposedly. Okay. Make an instance instead. What? Does this work? Okay, this works. Right. So I just run a quick test. Not sure how this would go. Okay, it instantly broke. Alright, so this no longer exists. I have to refactor this, right? Yes. Does this work now? Interesting. Why was there a short moment where it was actually... Huh. Really do. It started off shown, so alright, cause the progress bar itself needs to be hidden from this get-go. Right, so on the main GD, I need to hide. On ready, I guess. Keep it hidden first. Yep, now this works as intended. Okay. So I got it to show and hide. I migrated it over to a different script. Now the main thing is to create the actual timer. So wait, there's this thing called on ready. Wow. Is this still applicable? I don't think I need this anymore. I can just call it variable wait time. Variable duration equals to get node. No, I don't need that anymore. I can just do this progress timers dot wait time. Variable progress equals progress bar dot value. Yes. Actually, do I even need to do that? Progress dot value. Can I just not call it directly? Well, technically I can. Well, that's fine. Okay, now the main thing is to actually get it to link. So duration dot wait time equals to progress. But I don't even need that. I can just duration equals to wait time. Duration equals to progress. Yeah. Wait, why do I even need that? It's currently already working, isn't it? Am I doing unnecessary things once again? House updating of the progress bar value, that's what I did. So if I comment this out, in fact I can put this over on the timer side of things. This should also work. Progress bar timer, okay, and then... Oh, oh right, need to pass this. Yeah, this can go now down to this one, right? So I don't need the additional slash timer slash anymore because it's inside itself right now. The script is in its own area, in its own node, I mean. Pressure position equals player position. Does this read though, I wonder? Wait, no, this doesn't read because it... Yeah, it shouldn't work because... Invalid. Wait time's invalid? Oh? Progress timers. Wait time is not set. Right, it's set over here. So I should be linking this over to this script. Yeah, that makes more sense. So this should be linked here. And I can disconnect this. Stop timer should also be linked here. And this one can be disconnected. Ooh, okay. So much refactoring once again. Start. This on the start. Start bar emit. And then I can just put the progress bar show here. Right? Just gonna comment this out first. Progress timer timeout. Wait, no, wrong thing. Should be copying this first. So I don't need to do the emit, I can just progress bar dot height here. Nope, it's still broken because this progress timer's wait time is still not reading. duration. Why though? Invalid get index on base null instance. Currently the is set as 1 second as default. What if I don't even use this? This as well? Nope, still broken at to some extent. Invalid get position on base null instance. Interesting. Can I not pull the player position, or is it the... Okay, let me temporarily remove this. Yeah, the issue is with me pulling player position here. How do I get player position? Huh. Unless I have to... Yeah, I cannot. I guess the main reason why I housed it at the top in the first place in main was because simply because I needed to read the data from the player script. And I can't read it from the same level of nodes. Let me just give it a check. Godot sending variable from one between scripts. Instances and scripts, singletons. Child node 1. From node 2 and node 3, access variable in node 1, get node variable name. From node 2 and node 3, you can access some variable in node 1. Is that even still a thing? I believe they removed this get node function. So it's... But I don't think I can just do this main player thing. Yeah. Wait, it still works? Oh wow, it actually works. No, it doesn't. Why not? So get node has been decommissioned? Nope, player is not declared. I can't get position based on that. I think it's because it's not here. Unless I put something like var p1 equals var p1, right? And then I do position equals p1, for example. Then on this I get this. No, still does not work. Now instance on base. What does that mean? Now instance on base. Not using a valid path to get. Well, what other way? Owner must be ancestor node. Picking a node. Get node. Oh, okay. So get node path, get node. Fetches node. No path can be a relative path from this, not absolute path from the scene tree root. Paths are part of the value generate now. Okay, okay. Example, this particular character node inside of the tree character. Get node. Slash root slash. Oh, okay, so I need to do a slash. Interesting. Right, let's try this. Let's try this. Slash main slash. Still doesn't work. Oh right, cause I did not do the quotations. Right, why is that double? Okay, there we go. Does this work now? Note position is still not working. P1 also not working. What if I just do this? Does this work now? Default value using get node won't return nodes in the scene tree before ready is called. Right, so do I need this? Add on ready? Okay, let's just ignore this for now. Okay, so it's not breaking the game at least, but it's definitely not pulling the information that I want. Oh boy. Okay, at least I think I got the variable p1 now. So if I do a p1 dot position here, would that work? No, it's still balked. Is it because my position of the player is not determined until later? That's not really true, is it? Because I have the position over here already stated. So why is it not? It's not passing over appropriately? Okay, let me just comment this out first and let me just print me p1. Object null. Yep. This is a null object still. Still null. Return a value node, get node sword, get node backpack, dagger, get node dot dot swamp alligator, get node root my game. Does this work now? Oh gosh, it works now. So using the dot dot works? But root doesn't work? I mean, main doesn't work? What? Or maybe this works now. No. What if I use slash root? No. So dot dot works. Huh. Okay. Sure. So I can now uncomment this and use player. And this should work, technically speaking. Okay, it's working. Wow. That took a little bit of figuring out, but at least it's working. So you can pass variables through each script like that. It's just very tedious. Okay. So now we need to do something about finishing the timer. Okay, I think I've done this. Don't need this. Okay, there we... Hold on. How far have we gone? Is it hiding when it's off? Okay, it is. Okay, so this can be removed. Where is this connected at the moment? Connecting from. Trash cleared. Stop timer. Okay. Progress timer time out. It's connected here. First thing you can do is stop the timer. Now, I want to remove the trash after it's been cleared. But I can connect it this way. Oh wait, I can use the function cleaned. That's right. Cleaning timer emit. Cleaning timer, it does this. Trash cleared. So I do still need a way to determine if this is cleared, right? This is the one that holds the information on what it's colliding with. So... oh boy. So I can send a signal over that says action complete. Cleaning timer emit. If this is the case, I need to make it very specific. It's not just stop timer, but stop. Completing the trash timer. But this progress timer doesn't know which it is. So I need a timer for each of them individually. Either I make an individual timer or I set it as a variable so that they all can interchange, but the question is, even if they can interchange, how then would I have them? Oh boy, my head hurts. Because now I need to pass the information that it has finished cleaning, but the timer doesn't know what it's for. Only know that it starts and it stops. Hold up. If I put the signal here, wait, no, it needs to complete. Ah. Yeah, unless I distinguish each timer. The only way is to distinguish each timer. Because emitting action complete, yes, I can pass that signal over to here, to the player script. And then would it be able to take... I'm gonna need 3 if statements then. So there's a huge burden now. I mean, it's a small game, it's not much of a burden on the scripts, but in that case, the script has to check for 3 different things every time I clear an object, as opposed to having them manage themselves. Okay, at least I figured out one thing. There has to be a way to still check. On ship exit, yeah, I think the safest way right now is just use progress timer as unique to cleaning. So all of these progress timers will be changed to cleaning timer. Not sure if it's the actual solution, but I'm just gonna give it a go. Okay, so now that I know that cleaning timer is the one, so I'm just clean complete. I'm gonna change the signal to clean complete. Trash cleared can be removed. Where is this located? Okay, so I know that this emits clean complete. So I'm going to link clean complete over to main. Right. So on clean complete, tracing.q free. I'm not sure if that works. Oh, it crashed. Non-existent function Q3. Oh, whoops. I guess I can just do it like this. Right. Would it work? Nope, non-existent function. Oh wait, it's not trash scene, it's just trash. Wait, trash not declared in the current... Huh. Hold on a minute. So I must get it to read. Oh gosh. I'm gonna need to have a time variable then, and this needs to hold the should I put an underscore in front of it? No, underscore behind it, I guess. So no, this is a derivative. Then what's gonna happen is I'm gonna connect the clean complete to the player instead, and have this go here instead. Let me just remove this and save this. Oh, okay, I can't save it because it's still running. But at the same time, let me just disconnect this. Okay, let's hope this works. Oh my gosh, it works. Oh yes. Okay. Oh my gosh, hell yeah. Hell yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. Progress bar. Ah, I see the problem with what I'm doing here now. Cleaning timer. The cleaning timer itself doesn't need... I can just set this to 4 straight away. I don't need this anymore. Oops. Okay, these two functions, I can hide them and kind of just not look at them anymore. They have served their purpose. So how do I update the progress bar value? Because it's splitting up now. I need a progress bar for each of them, which is not entirely what I was working towards. Oh, hold up, I can just make a variable. Yes, variables. So on clean timer, active timer equals cleaning timer. So I just change this to active timer, whoops, and this active timer. Okay. Hopefully this, oh. Invalid. Wait, active timer can't have. On base new. What does on base new mean? Unless I put the active timer below like this. Does this work now? No, it still doesn't. Is it because this is on delta? If I just put this as temporary, it may work. Yeah, it works now. So it does need to mean something at the start. If I just put 0, does it work? No, because that it becomes a integer and then it ruins this entire thing. But if I put this, no, it also I see, so it basically needs to have a holding value to, because this is on delta, process delta. Yeah, just put null. Nah, that's a bad idea. I can't give it an empty timer. Which is quite interesting. Because it's on delta, that's why. If it's not on delta, maybe it can... Unless, hold on, what if I do an underscore delta? Does this make a difference? Yeah, it doesn't. Don't understand what's the underscore delta thing, but I'll just have to put it as such for now. Temporary value for div timer so it doesn't return null. Okay. We got this. Yep. At least we solved it somewhat. So next up, I'm just gonna make another object. Quickly make an object. It's going to be another area 2D. Wait a minute. I'll make it here. It will have animated sprite. Collision shape. Okay, the shape is going to be a very simple rectangular shape. Texture wise, I'm just going to let's give it a must I use canvas with shader? I don't have shaders though. No. Can I just not give it like oh my gosh. How do I just give it a piece of color, just like random bit of color? There's no parent material. Alright, what am I talking about? I shouldn't be updating this. It should be this. Dumb. Which doesn't change the issue because I have no idea what should I give it. Wait a minute, how do I even... Oh, it's under the... Oh gosh, yes, it's here. I guess the only issue with that I really like about this is that I need to add in a separate image for this. Fine. I'm just gonna use paint and make a simple brown box. Brownish box. Okay. Simple box is almost done. Crop. Save. Brown box. Okay, now I have my brown box. I am going to copy that in. There we go. I feel like this might be a little too big, huh? That's fine. Scale. No, not speed scale. Transform. Scale, let's put like 0.5. Wait, no, I should be scaling the sprite. Yeah. Oh my gosh, not 1.5, 0.5 please. Okay, and the collision shape should match it somewhat. Okay, there we go. Hold up. Let's give this a name. Speaker. Save. Okay, now let me add the speaker in. How do I do it? My gosh, I'm having severe case of amnesia or something. Okay, there we go. Speaker is now in. Whew. Hold on, let me move the speaker. Oh, it's kind of small. Okay, let me scale it up 2 times. Yeah, maybe even 4 times. Yeah, it's an interesting color to it. Not quite sure why. Huh. Why is it so colorful? This is the collision shape. Why is the collision shape actually having... I thought I removed all the... This is just debug color. Well, it doesn't matter, does it? Yeah, you know what? Cause yeah, that thing also shows, so yeah, it's okay. It's okay. There's only gonna be one speaker in this game, so I can just leave it as is over like here. It should show up in the game now, yep. Okay, so now that it's there, I'm just gonna start adding stuffs to it. Does this need a script now? No, it doesn't need. I just need to create a group for it. And then if it's in group speaker, and I'll just do like cranking speaker. I haven't actually thought about what is the mechanic going to be for this. Like, will it be continuous for every second you crank it attracts? Huh. That's a count up timer, isn't it? Nah, let's just keep it normal. So it's gonna be speaker timer. So there's gonna be a new signal for this. Oh gosh. Okay. There we go. I don't need to hold the area information because I don't need to delete it later. Or maybe I do. I'll just keep it here first in case I need it. If I don't, I will remove it. Not sure if this is good as a programmer practice, but hey, I'll do what I can. Okay, so call out any speaker. Okay, they emit this signal, so now I'm gonna send this signal over to the timer. Right, then I'm gonna have to make a new timer. So I can set this timer as, let's put it as 2 seconds for now. Speaker timer dot start active timer equals speaker timer and progress bar can show. I can technically make another function for this, for like showing and hiding the progress bar, but I don't think that's necessary. Actually, this is a good point. Stop timer is probably active timer.stop. Does it work? Speaking of which, on progress timer's timeout, you are actually no longer called dead anymore, right? Cleaning timer timeout. Yeah, it's previously called on progress timer. Okay, let me change this to cleaning timer timeout, just because it makes it less confusing for myself. So this is over here. This no longer exists. So I want to put this together so at least it's not so confusing. Oh, come on. Oh, wait. Stop timer should also be at the top actually. So there's cleaning timeout, speaker, and then the speaker now needs a timeout on its own. So I'm gonna roughly use the same thing. Music played, progress bar height, and I don't think I'm going to emit anything. Oh wait, no, I need to emit something. Signal, music play. Okay, let's see. So we've got this going for it. Huh, it twice, but okay. Okay, that's good. So it's working, but the progress bar is not exactly updating. Is it because this? I set this. Maybe if I move this line up, it might work. So this is 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, thereabout. Okay, this is 1000, 2000. Yeah, it's not exactly working as intended. But if I go this first, does it 1000, 2000? Yep, doesn't change. Unless I need to make it check and update itself, cause once it's ready, it's a set value. Why does it not update though? Yeah, it doesn't show. I have no idea what is this number, but I would assume that if I get it to print here as well, it should be the same. Hold on, it's different. Yeah, it's different. They're playing different. So the active timer did change. It's just that this progress. Oh, I know, cause the progress bar has its own set of min-max values which were not changed. So I don't need to change this as well. So what if I do progress bar dot max value equals the wait time? Yeah, this should change it because it's definitely like 4. Yep, it fills to the end. This one to still does not change. What is the wait time? No, it just gives me the. Speaking of which, I need to turn off the repeating. Yeah, one shot is. Yeah, I need to turn on one shot, that's for sure. It's not giving me the wait time that I'm asking for though. Which is annoying. It's still giving me the speaker itself. I mean the timer itself. Wait, hold on a minute. Why am I changing this? Oh gosh, I'm dumb. I was wondering why is it not. Jeebus. Wait, I still need here as well. I need it for both. Yes. Oh, crashed. Ah. Gah. Typos. Okay, I got it. It was right. My thinking was right. I didn't notice where was I putting my stuff, which is dumb. Can I add more things? Can't save resource to empty path. What's going on there? Okay, so this works. Actually, maybe I want some kind of different thing where this doesn't even... Oh, never mind. You know what? I'll think about it tomorrow. But I'm considering maybe like not even having... Not even having a... whatchamacallit? A progress bar, like in terms of a countdown bar for the speakers. Because I'd like to say that players can just play it for as long as they like activate the speakers for as long as they want. But it's okay, this is a good exercise. Figured a lot of things out. At least my logic is there. It's just about putting that logic into actual code that's hard. Makes sense now though, makes sense. Okay, I'm gonna call it a day. So thank you all for hanging out. It's a short stream, but I gotta get my rest. So, see you all again when I see you. Now just gonna do a quick check to see if there's anyone that we can raid. Okay, not anyone in particular, so never mind that. Okay, have a great one guys.